A Steam gift card and an Xbox gift card usually become usable within minutes after the retailer successfully activates them at checkout. If activation is delayed, the issue is almost always with the purchase process or the retailer's system, not with Steam or Xbox themselves. By the end of this video, you'll know whether one gift card activates faster than the other, what causes activation delays, and how to avoid the most common problems in 2026. Here's the direct answer. Neither Steam gift cards nor Xbox gift cards consistently activate faster than the other. When purchased from an authorized retailer, both are typically ready to redeem shortly after activation is completed. If there's a delay, it's usually related to the retailer's activation system or payment verification rather than the platform. Let's look at how the process works. When you buy a physical gift card in a store, the cashier's system activates the card during checkout. Until that step is completed successfully, the code cannot be redeemed. If you're buying a digital gift card online, the code is generally delivered after payment verification has been completed, although delivery times can vary depending on the retailer. Here's where many buyers get confused. They receive an error while redeeming the code and assume the platform is having problems. In many cases, the card simply hasn't been activated yet, or the digital order is still being processed by the seller. Take Alex as an example. He buys a Steam gift card from a major electronics retailer. After paying, he receives the activated card, enters the code into his Steam account, and the balance is added immediately. Everything works because the retailer completed the activation process correctly. Now, consider John. He purchases an Xbox gift card from an online marketplace that performs additional payment verification before sending digital codes. His code arrives later than expected, but the delay is caused by the seller's verification process, not by Microsoft's redemption system. Another important point is where you buy the card. Purchasing from authorized retailers reduces the chances of activation issues, invalid codes, or customer support problems. If a card isn't working after purchase, keep your receipt or order confirmation, since that's often required if you need assistance from the retailer. Before choosing between Steam and Xbox gift cards, think about what the recipient actually uses. A Steam gift card is the better fit for someone who plays games on Steam, while an Xbox gift card is designed for purchases within the Xbox ecosystem. Activation speed should rarely be the deciding factor, because both platforms generally work well when the purchase is handled correctly. The bottom line is simple. Steam and Xbox gift cards usually activate just as quickly when purchased from trusted retailers. Most delays happen before the code reaches you, not after you try to redeem it. Buy from a reliable seller, keep your proof of purchase, and you'll avoid most activation problems. If this comparison helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other gift card guides.